Hey physics. Okay, here's the plan for this week. So we are going to start off with, those of you who are in 4th or 6th hour, we're going to start off with a describing motion Nearpod. It's going to look like this. Basically what we're doing is we're taking what we know about describing one line of motion, and we are going to actually start talking about how we would graph like multiple directions, right? So you can go north, south, east, west, that kind of thing. And then in the afternoon, we're going to take that knowledge and we're going to talk about distance versus displacement, which is something you'll learn about in a minute. That's going to be using basically talking about moving chunk by chunk versus just like the general direction that you're moving in. Okay? So then on Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to start working on calculating speed through a Nearpod, and then through a slideshow where we're going to kind of like review the big ideas. And then on Thursday and Friday, we're going to do a gizmo where we're doing a lot of graphing and working with a cat and mouse scenario. So looking at speeds and who catches up to who first. Okay, so that's the plan for this week. Looking a little bit ahead, we are going to start reviewing all the stuff we've done so far on Monday and Tuesday of next week. So there'll be review in async time, review during regular class. We'll have some more review in the morning with some problems to work on, and then we'll have the test on Wednesday and Thursday afternoon of next week. So that's coming up. So make sure you get your stuff in, and that's the plan. Okay. Yeah, some of you guys have emailed me. I am still kind of behind on grading. I've gotten through a few classes all the way, and some of the other classes I haven't yet, so I apologize if you're one of the classes that I have not addressed as thoroughly yet. It's all coming. There's just a lot of stuff for us teachers to do these days, so just be patient. It'll get to you. No worries. We'll talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye.